scenario moving.
No. Yeah, I'm moving. Going to Padang Bay. Then from the Padang Bay we're going to Nusa Penida. Haven't been there since November last year, I think, or maybe December. Really long time. Really excited to go there. Good morning again. We are in a Padang Bay, so that's our boat. So we're going to Nusa Penida for 2 dives today. One gonna be a manta dive, another one will be just a drift if there is a current. Both is loading out our sinks, and Daniel also arrived, so everybody's here. So now it's just to load on a boat, and that's it. Previously there was a lot of people going out. At the moment, it's only our boat is going to the Nusa Penida. I have no idea if there is a mantas or not, but we haven't been there, like I said, more than a year. Second dive site, special drift. It's a kind of pretty good current going that way, so we're gonna just follow it. Today was a short travel day, so we did diving, 2 dives in Nusa Penida. The first one was Manta Point, and the second one was Special Drift. On the Manta Point, we arrived a little bit too early, so finally our group saw the mantas only in the end of the dive. So let's say 40 minutes we swam around, nothing, and then accidentally 4 mantas came. But also really like a kind of scared, not like usually when they just staying on a cleaning station, swimming over you, above you, under you, right, left. We didn't see this one today. I don't know why, but probably because not so many divers, so they're already feeling like a kind of, they already forgot what is the divers, probably, I don't know. So that's why they were like pretty nervous about the divers. So that's why we had no chance, same as previously, just to swim with them and that stuff. Equipment is washed, and kind of day is over. The second dive, I forgot to tell you about the second dive. The second dive was really nice drift. I already like a kind of really enjoyable drift actually, because at least for me and Laura, probably we drifted around 3 kilometers. Really, it was really long drift. We started in the beginning of the special drift, and we drifted all the way to where is a pier or harbor, where all the big ferries and fast boats comes to. So that's what today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe, of course, our YouTube channel. The subscription, every single subscription counts, and it's really important for us to develop ourselves, to make more interesting episodes and be interesting for you as well. So that's it. So see you tomorrow again. Bye.